Hi, I'm April with WTI.
Are you looking to get excited about drinking water again? This Waterdrop filtration system was just the right thing for our household to increase our hydration. Having 7 layers of filtration, including reverse osmosis, gives me good peace of mind that I'm providing crystal clear, clean drinking water for my family. I really appreciate the handle on the water tank. It makes it easy to empty and refill very easily. I really like that the drip tray is removable for easy cleaning, and it's magnetic so it stays in place. With just the touch of a button, I can have 6 different temperature settings and 5 different water volumes to choose from. So we can go from cold, crisp, refreshing water to nice, hot, boiling water, whether we want to do tea or coffee. There's also child settings on here to make sure that there's no accidental burns or injuries, which is so important for me and my family. If you're looking for a water filtration system that can literally do it all, I would definitely recommend Waterdrop.
And that's my point of view.